Ever dreamed of turning your passion for travel into a fulfilling career? Imagine a day in the life of a travel agent. Your morning might start with a steaming cup of coffee at a quaint cafe in Paris, or perhaps a matcha tea in a bustling Tokyo street. Your office? It could be anywhere in the world. Each day is an adventure, filled with the excitement of crafting unique travel experiences. You're not just selling a trip, you're creating memories, building dreams, and opening the world's doors to those eager to explore. Every client is a new story, a fresh opportunity to design an unforgettable journey. As the sun rises, you're already deep in conversation with clients, understanding their needs, their dreams, and their passions. You're their guide, their mentor, and their friend, all rolled into one. You're the architect of their adventures, the designer of their dreams. But the perks of being a travel agent go beyond the thrill of exploration. You're always in the loop, privy to exclusive travel discounts and first-hand destination knowledge. And those familiarization trips to exotic locations, they're not just perks, they're part of the job. When the afternoon rolls around, you're crunching numbers and closing deals. There's a thrill in knowing that your dedication and creativity are rewarded with lucrative commissions. The more unique and tailored the experiences you create, the higher your earning potential. Remember, in this career, the sky's the limit. As the evening falls, you close your laptop with a satisfied smile. Another day of turning dreams into reality. Another day of making the world a little smaller, a little more accessible. That's the life of a travel agent. Now, imagine yourself in this picture. Are you ready to embark on a journey that combines passion, adventure, and a rewarding career? Are you ready to become a travel agent? It's time to take the first step towards a fulfilling career. Contact Zero to Hero Travel Squad to start your journey in the exciting world of travel. Your adventure awaits. Simply comment happy or send us a direct message. Don't just dream about travel, make it your life.